Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from EMEET. This is the EMEET SmartCam C960 kit, and this is a 1080p USB webcam with a tripod included. This would be perfect for working from home, using Zoom meetings, Skype, or anything like that. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get everything out of the package, this is what you're going to get. Of course, you're going to get the main unit itself, which is the C960 if you need to know the actual model number on that. And they give us a quick start guide in multiple languages here. And this is great for showing you how to attach it to the tripod or to the back of your monitor or wherever you're going to be using this. They also have EMEET Link software from EMEET that you can get from their website as well to fine-tune this, and we'll go over that a little bit later. Now they do have a privacy cover here. This will go on the top of the webcam. It's got some 3M tape there, and you can stick it to the top of the webcam, and then it will just fold down and be your privacy shutter for you. So it's there if you need it. Although it's not built in, you can use it if you want to. Some people really want to use that, and some people don't, so they give you the option. Now another cool option that they do give you in this kit is this tripod, and I really do like the overall build on this tripod. It's got some nice rubber feet on it for your desk, and it's a telescoping tripod, so when you push it down you can see that you can extend this, and you can extend this even further from where I'm going, and I'm going to cut to that real quickly just to show you how far this tripod will go. Okay, so extending the tripod is super easy. All you have to do is extend the feet, and then once you get the tripod extended a little bit, you can actually grab the portion at the top where you have the screw in for the camera, the threads there, and I'll show you exactly how far this will go. It does go quite far, so if you're going to use this for your desktop type of setup, it'll go anywhere from 5.7 inches, and you'll see that this can telescope even further. The second one will draw it all the way out to 8.9 inches, and then the third one will draw it all the way out to 12.2 inches. So you've got that range there with this tripod to get the height that you need for this setup. Okay, so going back to the main unit, this is a 1080p native resolution camera. This also has a dual AI noise canceling microphones in it as well. So you will get that. It does have a fairly long cord. I believe it's about 5 feet, and you do get a standard USB Type A, USB 3.0 connector here, so you're going to be able to plug that into any laptop or PC that you're going to be using this on. Now you can fold this out, and it's got some rubber accents here that are going to guard whatever device or screen you're going to be putting this on. Now if you have a laptop, obviously you can put this on there, and then you can angle this as well to get the right angle for you, and this is definitely going to do a better job than most webcams that are built in to laptops. Now on the bottom you can see that they do have the threaded hole there for setting this up with that tripod. So again, if you want to put this on your desk and then just plug it into your laptop, you can do that as well and get the angle that you want. Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and this is a camera test of the EMEET C960 1080p web camera. So it'll give you a good idea of what the out-of-the-box picture settings are going to be like for this particular camera. And I have overhead LED lights as my normal lights. There are no studio lights on currently, so this is the picture that I get out of the box. So this will give you kind of an idea without any adjustments with the EMEET software, what you'll get right out of the box. Also, with its dual microphones, what the audio sounds like with the noise cancellation. Now, I do have AC running in the background, and you probably can't hear that, and that's due to the noise canceling of the microphones. You cannot turn that off. So if that's something that you do not want to have on this particular camera, I have not figured a way to turn it off. But overall, you'll get an idea of what your voice will sound like, as well as your image, for voice and video calls. Now, EMEET also has the EMEET Link software, and here you can see that we can adjust our image as we want to with brightness, of course, contrast. We do have some sharpness here as well, so if you need the picture to be a little bit sharper, you can. And you also have saturation here, so it can be adjusted via a slider for those four things. Now, white balance is on auto currently, but you can set that manually if you want. Now, I found to get the best picture with this particular webcam, using the auto feature was pretty spot on and where it should be. And of course, you can save those configurations as well, or you can restore defaults for the C960. Now, if we go into settings here, we do have different languages to run the program in. We can, of course, check for updates on our software or auto update, and then you have messages as well, and allowing messages, and they will come up here in Notification Center. Now, if you do have a problem, you can put your question directly to EMEET in that section there, and you can also log in and register if you do have EMEET products that you want to do so. So overall, it's got some really nice fine-tuning adjustments that you can do with the EMEET Link software, which is also included and easy to download. Okay, so that's my review of the EMEET SmartCam C960 kit, 1080p webcam. This is going to be perfect for if you're working from home, or you want to replace a webcam that is not so good, maybe that's built into your laptop, or you just need one for your desktop. I like that it's a kit as well, and also includes a tripod that you can put on your desk and get the height and angle exactly how you want it. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.